Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Jay, and in today's video I will be launching a meme coin around KSI. And obviously once the coin gets buyers and it pumps a bit, I'm simply just gonna remove the liquidity and profit a shit ton of money. So make sure you stick till the end of the video if you want your phantom wallet to look like this. So the reason why I chose KSI to make a meme coin off of is because he's already famous, so I'm getting free marketing, and also because he has a big forehead, so this is basically a meme itself, right? And also his forehead is his biggest insecurity. But now to create and launch your own coin, you'll want to come to launch token.fun. And here you'll be able to create your own coin by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image. And that's why, first of all, before we create the coin, we have to find a name and an image for the coin. So for the image, I'm gonna go on Google and just type in KSI. Simply just the name of the celebrity, right? So this one might actually work because it's a bit exaggerated, so this one could actually work really well. So I'm actually gonna screenshot this one right here and save it to your PC. After that, you'll be able to come back to launch token.fun. So for the token name, I'm just going to do KSI forehead. The token symbol, I'm going to put KFH for KSI forehead, and then you can do next. Token decimals, keep it to 9, and total supply, keep it to 1 billion coins. And the token description, I'm actually going to come back to chat GPT, and I'm going to ask, give me a description of KSI's forehead for a meme coin. I'm just gonna copy paste the AI generated description, come back to launch token.fun, put it here, then do next. Okay, so here you do not need to put any links because it's useless for now for this coin. The modifier creator information, you can keep that off, but if you're rich and you want to have a more reputable coin, you can keep it on. Here it's really important though, you have to make sure these are all selected, otherwise no one is going to buy your coin and your coin will be viewed as a scam. Okay, so keep these all selected, it is good. Then you can create your coin, and then your coin will be created shortly. Okay, go inside your phantom. After that, okay, a warning sign will pop up, but this is completely normal. Just ignore and proceed. Confirm. I understand. Confirm. And then your coin will be created shortly. Okay, now copy paste the token address right here and click on create liquidity pool. Here select your coin. Here select your Solana balance. And by the way, remember this number right here, I am starting with $180, and we're gonna see how much I make after launching the coin. Okay, the amount token A, just click on max for 1 billion coins, and the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. Now you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I'll just put 0.5 Solana because that is what I'm comfortable with. And obviously make sure you have enough Solana in your balance, and you are not losing this money because you will be the first buyer inside your coin, so you are not losing this money. It is completely safe. Okay, and then you can do simply just create pool, and then click on confirm, then click on refresh. By the way, while we were waiting for the coin to be created, the winner of last video's giveaway, here's a payout. And if you want to join the next giveaway, just like, comment your Telegram name, and subscribe. Then join my free Telegram group down below. And yeah, enjoy. Okay, it popped up. As you can see, you're already up in profit. But now, click on view on Photon. And now your coin is live. Okay, as you can see here, it pumped a bit, now it dipped a bit. But do not be discouraged. It has only been a couple seconds. Just be patient. Okay, it's coming back a bit. Oh my god, okay, this might be actually insane. Yo, okay, now it's pumping a lot. Okay, we're almost at a $1,000 market cap in a couple seconds now. Yo, it is pumping a lot. Okay, we're at a 1.1k market cap within a couple seconds. As you can see here, $500 in liquidity can be pulled out if I wanted to, but I'm gonna wait for a bit more buyers, then I'm gonna sell. No, people are starting to sell a bit, fuck. Come on. Okay, now it's pushing a bit. Let's go. Oh my god. What the... Whoops. Yo, what the freak? Okay, now it's pumping a lot. We're at a 3.9k market cap. Okay, now I think I'm going to remove the liquidity. I'm not sure, but I think. Okay, no, it's selling. Okay, now come back to launch token.fun. Click on the minus button. Do 100%. Remove liquidity. then click on confirm, and boom, you just remove the liquidity. And that's how you make a shit ton of money off launching meme coins, specifically launching coins around celebrities. So if I open my Phantom wallet for a total sum up $832, I just made $600 off this coin. Let's freaking go. You can make so much money. It's actually freaking insane, bro. Launch Token.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. You have to be using them right now before it gets too saturated. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.